Under the bubbles. One of these days you'll be big enough for bubbles. Where is baby? There's baby. Yeah. Still has the hiccups. You got the hiccups. You got the hiccups. Yes, you do.
Sometimes I think I see a little white too. But I just
This morning on the carriage rides, there's a little white, it was like either milk or,
could have been milk.
I think it was milk, it was just that kind of something, that kind of bird or something.
Daddy. Daddy's taking your picture. He says, well, what else is new?